Think eating healthy has to cost a fortune? Think again. Today, I'm showing you how to prep 7 easy meals that are both nutritious and budget-friendly, all for under $25 total. Whether you're a student, a busy parent, or just trying to save money, this video is for you. Here's everything I got for less than $25. Brown rice, eggs, canned beans, chicken thighs, frozen mixed veggies, sweet potatoes, oats, bananas, peanut butter, spinach. All of this will give us 7 full meals and leftovers. Here's the meal lineup. 1. Overnight oats with banana. 2. Sweet potato and egg hash. 3. Chicken stir fry with rice and veggies. 4. Black bean and spinach wraps. 5. Peanut butter banana snack boxes. 6. Oven-baked chicken with roasted sweet potatoes. 7. Veggie fried rice with scrambled egg. Let's cook. We'll start with overnight oats. Just oats, water or milk, sliced banana, and a spoon of peanut butter. Stir and refrigerate overnight. Done. Next up, sweet potato and egg hash. Dice and roast sweet potatoes. Fry an egg on top. Boom! Hearty and filling. For chicken stir fry, cook chicken thighs, add frozen mixed veggies, toss with cooked rice. Season to taste. Need something quick? Black bean and spinach wraps. Mix canned beans with spinach. Season and wrap in a tortilla or lettuce leaf. Peanut butter banana snack boxes are easy. Just slice banana, add a scoop of peanut butter, and pack with a handful of oats or nuts if you have them. For oven-baked chicken, season thighs, roast with sweet potato chunks until golden and cooked through. Last, veggie fried rice with scrambled egg. Sauté frozen veggies, add rice, scramble in an egg, and season. Pro tips. Batch cook rice in one go. Season beans with garlic powder and cumin for extra flavor. Use frozen veggies to save money and reduce waste. Store your meals in airtight containers. These will last up to 4 days in the fridge, and some can be frozen for later. Stack them neatly, label them by day, and you're set. These meals are packed with fiber, protein, and complex carbs. If you want extra nutrients, sprinkle in chia seeds, add lemon juice, or toss in any leftover veggies. And that's a full week of healthy meals, on a budget. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below your favorite cheap meal prep idea. Want more videos like this? Let me know and I'll keep them coming.